Are you ready to uncover the local culture and hidden gems of Amsterdam Oost in 2024? Join us at White Tulip Hostel as we take you on an unforgettable journey through this vibrant, multicultural neighborhood. Begin your adventure at the bustling Dappermarkt, atop Amsterdam street market teeming with exotic spices, fresh produce, and unique finds. Stroll through the newly renovated Oosterpark, a serene oasis perfect for picnics and adorned with inspiring sculptures. Treat your taste buds to a culinary tour around the world at the many diverse restaurants that line the streets. Dive deeper into the culture of Amsterdam Oost by visiting cultural hotspots like the Tropenmuseum and Studio K, and admire the innovative street art projects that tell the stories of the neighborhood. Getting to Amsterdam Oost from White Tulip Hostel couldn't be easier. Hop on tram 14 to Javaplein, or enjoy a scenic 20-minute bike ride. Uncover the hidden treasures that await, from the lively market stalls of Dappermarkt offering authentic souvenirs and delectable street food, to the lush greenery and artistic installations of Oosterpark. Explore the rich cultural tapestry of the area with visits to Tropenmuseum and Studio K. Experience the evolving landscape of Amsterdam Oost, with new urban developments and extensive bike paths making it a breeze to explore on two wheels. So why not rent a bike and embark on an adventure, discovering the local culture and hidden gems that cars simply can't reach? Travel easily to Amsterdam Oost from White Tulip Hostel with a quick tram ride or a leisurely bike journey. Book your stay directly on our website to enjoy a special discount and immerse yourself in the authentic and diverse spirit of Amsterdam Oost. Discover the vibrant markets, relax in the lush parks, and savor the multicultural cuisine for an unforgettable adventure in 2024.